Hello everyone. Today we are going to use another example, dog, to better understand the class and objects. So class is the keyword. Dog is the name of the class. The first letter usually to be capital. So think of class dog is like a blueprint. It is saying all dogs will have these features and abilities. So the first function is init. This is a special method in class. It's also called a constructor. This method will run automatically the moment you created a new dog. So look at the code here. So when we created a dog, this constructor method will run automatically. So inside the constructor, we have three features, like a name, save the name for the dog. So there is another keyword, self. So self means this particular dog. So you see, we created two real dogs, the first dog and the second dog. So the class dog is like a blueprint. Dog 1, dog 2 is real dogs, and also called objects. So the init method will run automatically when we created a dog. So there are three parameters. First one is name. Second one, age. Third parameter is the color of the dog. So we passed those three variables and we save the name for this particular dog, age, and the color. So the next one is the method bark. So this is the action the dog can do. So we have to call this method, like a dog 1 bark, dog 2 bark. So make Max bark, makes Luna bark. So any dog created from this class dog can bark. The third method is birthday. So each year is increase age by 1. This shows that the objectives can remember or change their own data. So now dog 1 and dog 2 are real dog. So let's run the program. So we can see, first we created two real dogs. First one's name is Max. The second one is Luna. Then we call bark method. So what bark method do? Self name, dog 1 name is Max, says wolf. So that's why we have print Max says. And then dog 2 called bark. Dog 2 dot bark. So this dot means the objective dot method. This means this objective calls that method. This is how we call function from the class. So then Luna bark 2, dog 2 bark. We have output. Luna says something. And then dog 1 birthday. Dog 1 is max. The birthday is increased by 1. Dog 1, the initial age is 5, increased by 1. Now max is 6 years old. So we also can print the information about the max. For example, dog 1's name is dog 1's color. So that's why dog 1's name is Max. Then is dog 1's color. So we also can print dog 2's information. Dog 2's name, dog 2 color. Let's run the program again. So you see we have Luna is white. That's the end of the class. Thank you.